I'm here today to launch the Footpath Blitz. Last year, Marion Council conducted a huge community survey and footpaths did feature. Now, we had a 71% approval rating for our footpaths, but we thought we could do better. The councillors and I thought, let's have a Footpath Blitz to fix up some of those patchy footpaths around the city. For once Council is asking you to complain, we want you to write to us or look on the Making Marion webpage of the Council website and tell us about the footpaths that you think need fixing. With your help, we'll identify them, we'll assess them as well and rate them in order of priority. The unsafe footpaths will be fixed up first, followed by many of the unsightly ones. So from July onwards, we're going on a Footpath Blitz to fix these footpaths. With your help, we'll turn this to this. So if you have any ideas for fixing footpaths in Marion, just write to the council or look at the Making Marion webpage and you'll see Footpath Blitz where you can make your suggestion.